Instructions for diagnostic kit for novel coronavirus. Checklist of the items needed to perform the test. First, sample collection phase. Step 1, prepare your workstation. Log into EHR. Under Data Analytics, click COVID-19 Test. Prepare 5 swab sample collector. Step 2, open the nasal swab package by pulling the 2-inch of the wrapper apart and take the swab out. Step 3, swab the patient's nose gently by inserting the soft swab tip about ½ inch in one nostril. Keep the swab in place and rotate inside the edge of the nostril for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat on the other nostril. Step 4, put the swab into the transport tube until it touches the liquid near the bottom. Break the notch swab in half by handling the swab handle back and forth. Screw the cap into the tube tightly and let it sit for 5 minutes. Step 5. Select the patient by clicking the plus button. You can also search the patient by typing in the search bar. Add symptoms if there are any. Scan the swab sample barcode. Do this for the other 4 patients. We will now load the sample into the cartridge. Step 1. Thoroughly mix the COVID-19 RNA extraction solution. Make sure that the beads are suspended. Transfer it into the COVID-19 cartridge. Add 200 microliters of swab sample from each patient into the COVID-19 cartridge. Screw the cartridge cap and shake to mix well. Let's test the sample. Step 1. Scan the cartridge QR in the EHR, select a block number and click Start Test. Step 2. Scan the cartridge QR in the analyzer. Step 3. Type the test number in the analyzer provided by the EHR. Step 4. Insert the cartridge into the analyzer based on the block number chosen. Step 5. Click the Start Test button. We will now proceed to uploading phase. Step 1. Insert a flash drive into the analyzer. Step 2. On the analyzer interface, under Menu window, click View. Select the result and click the USB button. Step 3. Remove the flash drive from the analyzer and insert it into the computer. Edit the file to be uploaded. Step 4. On the EHR, choose a file and select the edited file and click the Finish Test button. You can now see the test result as a PDF file. Retesting phase. Retesting phase. If the result from the pool test came out positive, perform test for each patient. See video on retest.